Okay, I will take you through the connection of the servo motor on the Raspberry Pi and then later to control it by a small piece of code. I will use this servo motor. That's just a standard RC S3003 from Robber. Of course, they are always connected with some layout like this. You cannot connect it directly to the breadboard, so I'll use this small adapter, breakout pin. Just put it anywhere on the breadboard, and then you can nicely fit this connector on the adapter. In my case, we have three coloring codes, black, red and white, and the white one will be the control line, so the PWM line, and the black and red will be the power source. In this case, I will give the power from an external battery. I will use this one from Technique. That's nice. 8 volts, a little bit high, but it will do. Then we must make sure that we are grounded to the Raspberry Pi. So in this case, I will ground to the 5th pin. So I go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be the ground, and I will put the ground in the breadboard, or you can put it directly on here if you like, on the black wire, first one. Then I have the control pin. I will use the GPO 17 to put the software pulse width modulation in there, so that would be the pin next to the ground. Like so, and I will put that on the white line of the servo motor, like that. So the only thing I have to do now is to have some power from the battery. I have here a small wire. Okay, I just connected these power lines. So remember, I have the small red green put on the black wire of the servo, first one, and that's connected to the battery like so.